And ladies and gentlemen, never before has an officer been politically targeted to an extent as Sameer Wankhede is being tonight. Only because he's getting to the root of the drug nexus. He's faced personal attacks. He's been hounded. He's been called an extortionist by politicians. And in this vile battle, his family has not been spared. So who is the real target? Is it Sameer Wankhede or the drugs investigation or both? Let's debate.
Sameer Wankhede, a 2008 batch Indian Revenue Service officer, has been the face of drug crackdown since the Sushant Singh Rajput case last year. He has busted a high-profile drug case and spearheaded anti-drug operations, leading to arrest of Aryan Khan. With this, he has also been subjected to a wild political attack. The latest in the series of attacks has been the release of his personal documents. At 9:37 a.m., NCP Minister Nawab Malik tweeted what appeared to be Sameer Wankhede's birth certificate. Nawab Malik said, and I quote, "This was the beginning of Sameer Wankhede's fakery." The document had an asterisk next to the name Dawood, and the officials had mentioned the corrected name in the corner of the document, Nyandev Katruji Wankhede. Not only did the Maharashtra minister allege loopholes in Wankhede's private documents, but also alleged an extortion racket.
पूरी इनकी जिंदगी एक फर्जी चीज़ों से शुरू हुई और सारा फर्जीवाड़ा वो कर रहे हैं। फर्जी केसेस बनाना, लोगों से बड़े पैमाने पे पैसा वसूल करना, वो पैसा बिल्डरों के पास पार्क कर देना।
A claim staunchly dismissed by Sameer Wankhede, who has found himself in the line of fire.
You filed 2 affidavits today before the court. This at a time when there has been more allegations that are being leveled against you. Your family has now been targeted. I want your first response on this.
Shravan, I'm sorry I cannot speak to the media because I don't want to aggravate the situation. But I will say that I filed some affidavits in the court. And after that, regarding the harassment, the torture, victimization of my family, and the allegations, and that too targeting women of my houses, so that is really condemnable. Only that I will say. I condemn that.
Dragged in this bitter battle is Sameer Wankhede's family. His father, Nyandev Wankhede, a retired senior police officer of State Excise Department, was forced to show his documents on live television to prove his point to politicians.
मेरा इधर ज्ञानदेव वानखेड़े नाम लिखा है, आप देख सकते हैं इसको, ज्ञानदेव कतरूजी वानखेड़े, और उसके बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट पे भी मेरा नाम है वानखेड़े समीर ज्ञानदेव, ये इस पे क्लियर लिखा है.
A proud wife making it clear that it is always nation first for the officer.
कि अगर इस सारे मामले में मुझे मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ को, मेरे फादर इन लॉ को, मेरे फैमिली को घसीटा जा रहा है, तो शायद ये एक छोटी सी कीमत है जो इस देश के लिए हम लोग चुका रहे हैं.
And in another twist, a day after alleged bribe talk allegations, witness KP Gosavi, the man who has been missing since October 3rd, has decided to surrender.
सर, अभी खबर आ रही है कि आप सरेंडर करने वाले हैं, और क्या ये सही है और कहाँ करने वाले हैं?
सर, मैं अभी जस्ट लखनऊ पहुंच रहा हूँ और लखनऊ में ही मैं सरेंडर हो रहा हूँ.
But the prime question is, who is the target here, Wankhede or the drug investigation? Let's debate.